it's Shandera. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So there's this one lady on TikTok who's really famous for the Wrinkle Magic stickers, and she goes out to eat with them. She be drinking sodas. She be eating french fries with the magic wrinkle stickers. She goes to bed with them, and they literally look like her face. I bought some because she just motivated me to see, will my wrinkles disappear? Now I know someone is saying you don't have wrinkles. You see this smile? You see that smile line? You see this forehead line? You see this? You see, I want these lines gone, okay? Don't judge me for wanting the lines gone. Okay, those are wrinkles. What are y'all talking about? I got wrinkles. Look at wrinkle, okay? Eventually, the older I get, those are just gonna get deeper and deeper. I am all about prevention, okay? We are a prevention channel over here. So if I could get the wrinkles to not form now and wait later, then I'm all for it. So today we are gonna apply the wrinkle stickers, and this is gonna be a 24-hour wrinkle challenge. Oh my God, they have so much plastic. I mean, have anyone ever heard of recycle, reuse, reduce? Oh my God, it's melting. Oh my God, it's melting into my, it looks just, yeah, look at, it's melting. Hold on, let me turn the light down. Oh my God, melted into my skin. Oh my God, this may work. Oh, we may have one here. We may have one. So I am gonna try to wrinkle my forehead. Y'all see that? Look at it may work. Like the wrinkle literally isn't there anymore. Not even through the patch. I'm gonna try. Look it. It's like a deep one. Okay, these may work if they don't lift. And they have one for like down your chest area. I'll probably put that one on later tonight because it ain't bad yet. Like, it's not that bad. Oh, it's like 3 hours into this challenge. And look it. Lady always like eats in her video. I'm going to try it while eating with you guys. This is what I'm eating. It's just, you know, egg, rice, avocado, and blueberry. So let's just see, does it work? Oh my God. Y'all see what happens when I eat? She does it so perfectly, but when I eat, stuff starts falling apart. It's like literally coming apart. So I don't know what I am going to do because I just keep like this. I feel like it's a waste of money if they can't stick on. I'm like really irritated. So I'm officially done with the neck one. I'm just done. I'm done. I am done with the neck one. I can't. But these are staying on perfectly, so I like literally pull my rag down so it can stay on. You gotta do what you gotta do, you guys. Went for a little bit of a workout, and the bandage stayed on. Sticker, wrinkle sticker. The rag is saving it. Sorry, now look at my wrinkles. I think that, oh my God, it's coming apart. It's coming apart. I know someone's like, are you gonna take a shower? I did a wash up just for this video. I'm gonna wash my face. When you start sweating, it starts moving. So the rag saved me when I was working out. It was like moving. Then the sweat finally dried on, but this is what it looks like. I'll take it off so we can see if the like laugh lines are still there. Y'all look at the print. They still look the same to me. What do y'all think? Do they look different? I feel like they're a little less, maybe. I don't know how I feel. So I just washed my face, so I'm gonna dry it a little bit and then y'all, that water chokes me up. I'm not gonna apply any moisturizer or anything to my face because I want these to like stick to my skin. So we're gonna try the other ones this time. Oh, they smell the same. Oh my God, why did I smell them? So I am curious, and first of all, before I say what I have to say, I do have to apologize. I have to be PC on this channel because I notice all the time I am offending someone. I offended the people from Germany. I had to do a whole video addressing my skincare videos to apologize to the German people for saying Dutchland instead of Deutschland. I thought I heard it wrong. I apologize. I forgot to apologize to the blonde community because, you know, at work I always got told are you sure you're not a blonde? I got told that a lot. So I thought it was okay to get in one of my videos and say, you know, I'm being a blonde. I offended the blonde community. I didn't apologize. So hopefully if you are a part of the blonde community and you let me know in one of my videos you were offended by my comments, I apologize. Now I'm about to offend the flower and pale community. So please forgive me for my ignorance. Y'all know I am learning as we go. We are a community and sometimes I say things and y'all help me. So if I'm about to offend someone right now, I am sorry, pale and flower community. Please forgive me. The lady in the video, she has very pale, flower, translucent skin. She's of Asian descent. And you know they believe in, you know, being very fair and lovely, almost like Casper Ghost flower-like, right? And I'm noticing, like, as I was doing my little workout, people were looking at me weird. I thought these kind of like blended in with my skin tone, but apparently they don't, the way they blended in with her skin tone. So I'm just curious, are they gonna make some for all skin tones? And I thought maybe it was just, you know, people of darker skin tones, but it's actually people of European descent, white people. Oh God, please, I hope I'm saying that. I'm trying to be PC. Please forgive me. I was looking at pictures of them on Amazon. It didn't blend in with their skin tone either, and they're white. So I'm just curious, is it more for people who really are very fair, very like pale, almost like, you know, the Twilight guy, vampire tease? That's why I'm curious, because she looks like a vampire in the video. I don't know if they're lighting her skin up, but are these more for people of that skin tone as opposed to people of, you know, other skin tones? I'm just curious, y'all. I don't know where to put these. I'm about as confused as you, so I just put some right here on. Shall I see? Look it. And then I'm gonna put one right here. I think they should make some for all skin tones, like olive skin tones, beige skin tones, dark skin tones, every skin tone under the book. How it's not melting, but it like literally melted into her skin. I'm literally trying to figure out what did she do to have it melt into her skin. And I don't have no oils or moisturizers on my skin, so tonight we're gonna use these. I want to show you guys. Look at, like, literally it doesn't move. So it may be preventing something. The only ones that didn't come off was these two. So let's see. What do y'all think? Do I have less wrinkles? Does it look less to you guys? What do you guys think? We have a lot to discuss, so let's talk about it. Here are my final thoughts on the magical wrinkle stickers. It's a good concept, bad product. First of all, I just don't want to be wearing like wrinkle stickers that smell like mattress in a box, or the pillows that foam up. Like, that smell gives me a terrible headache, and I literally have to air out my pillows 2 days to almost a week for that smell to go away. They literally did not stick to the face. Like, why are you coming up with products like this and they don't stick to the face? Make it work. Also, I kind of felt like after a day, because it's been about a day and a half that I've been using these stickers, that eventually the stickiness wears off. So that's the other issue that I had. I feel like it's a great prevention tool, especially if you really can't afford Botox, because literally when it sticks to your head, it prevents you from making a lot of expressions like smiling, laughing, and stuff like that that can over time really literally cause fine lines and wrinkles. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it, but over time it does that. So I do feel like it's a great prevention tool. I mean, you guys notice I kept doing this and like my face was totally stuck from moving. Literally, why they just didn't make a whole face one for us to apply at nighttime? You know what? That would be a good idea. If they make one for us to apply at nighttime, for us not to move and just sit there all day. I mean, even around the house, or like get a face mask holder for it. I think it's a good concept. I just feel like we need some more work. That being said, you guys, those are all my final thoughts on the wrinkle anti-magical stickers, the ooey patches. I think they're called ooey patches, the SI Psycho patches. Let me know all your thoughts in the comments. What do you guys think of them? Have you tried the real expensive bougie ones that are like $50? Let me know in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.